Hello everyone, welcome to my 3D printed smile YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I got dental implant surgery. Now, I'm 33 years old and for 10 years I was in extreme dental pain. I shouldn't have to preach to anybody that tooth and gum pain can be the worst pain imaginable. And it got to a point where I just couldn't tolerate it anymore. My teeth were in very poor condition. I neglected my dental hygiene, and it got to a point where I struggled to even brush my teeth because it hurt so badly. Now, it was embarrassing. It affected a lot of aspects of my life, including my work, family, interacting with my son. I was embarrassed to smile. There were times where I couldn't work with guests and make sales because I was scared to smile because I didn't have any teeth. I was missing most of my teeth. So I just want to kind of go over how I got to where I am today. And that is from pretty much zero teeth to a full smile, top and bottom dental implants that were 3D printed, especially to fit my mouth and my gums. Now, I have essentially there's 5 screws on top and 4 on the bottom that are securing my teeth to my gums. And right now this is 2 months post-op and it's been an incredible experience. I have nothing but good things to say about getting dental implants or just any type of solution to get rid of the pain that I was currently in. So this video, I want to go over how I got to where I was and where I'm going in the future. And I thought I'd bring you guys along for the journey to show you everything that's involved with taking care of them, to learning how to eat, to learning how to smile again, to working and not being in extreme pain. So now, going forward, I got to a point where my teeth were non-existent. I visited the dentists and they told me that I had to have all my teeth pulled and to see a specialist for that Aspen Dental or others couldn't help me in that situation. They needed to find somebody, a gum surgeon, that could help pull out the teeth specially, because it was just they're such poor condition. There were little shards of teeth and it was not good. So I was trying to get all my teeth pulled and then look out for different options from there. And I didn't care if they were veneers or dentures. I hadn't even realized implants were a thing that I'd be able to get. But here I am today. I have a brand new smile and I'm no longer in any pain. So that is what I really want to share with my viewers here, is my experience. And now, my teeth were so bad that I couldn't do anything some days. There were days where the pain was just so excruciating that I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to live anymore. And me thinking, how could I live for my son? And how can I do anything when I'm in constant pain? And I'm sure some of you guys may be experiencing the same thing that I have or had experienced that. And so there is ways to get out of that pain. I'll tell you right now, definitely seek out different options. And throughout my videos, I'm going to explain some of those options to you guys and kind of give you a down to earth, honest look at what it is like to have dental implants and the dental implant surgery process. And let me tell you guys, it's good. It's good. I can eat again. I can smile again. And life is changing for me. And I couldn't be happier. I'm a happier person. Before I was just miserable. So I guess just getting into the story again, I'm kind of getting sidetracked. Now, after I'd seen multiple dentists and they told me to see a specialist, I had sought out different specialists in my area. And when I went to the specialist, they scanned my mouth, did their x-rays, and they advised me that even though I still had a couple teeth that were good, that we should just pull them all out in one go, and that there's a way that they're going to give me all new teeth right after they pull all of them out and put brand new teeth in there. And I'll leave that same day with a brand new smile. And I just couldn't think that was even fathomable. Sign me up, I guess, because that seems like a dream come true. All my pain's going to be taken away, and I'm going to get brand new teeth. Wow. I mean, technology nowadays is just advanced so much that it's going to help me and my health moving forward. So I looked at different options, and we decided to go with getting full dental implant surgery. And it all took about, they said 6 to 8 hours, the experience. And they pulled out all my teeth and they popped these bad boys in, and it's been 2 months post-surgery, and I'm eating again, and I'm smiling again, I'm laughing, I'm talking, and I'm working. There's nothing stopping me. I'm not in that constant pain. And I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of those details so that going forward, you guys can understand where I'm at in my journey. And I will kind of give you more details of how it is 2 months post-op, and kind of just a breakdown of how the surgeries went and different topics and ideas that I will have going forward. But I think I'm going to wrap this video up here, and I will see you guys on my next video topic. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.